Good day again, it's Tech Genius. I'm just gonna take a few minutes and explain to you the components of an external hard drive, or how is an external hard drive is made. As you can see, I'm having a Toshiba drive. It's a 2 terabyte. It's a 2 terabyte external hard drive. Here is the hard drive cable. This is where the data and the power. This cable shares the data and the power. As you can see, the USB is driven by the USB. So I'm going to open up this hard drive. You just need a flat screwdriver. Then first screwdriver or a flat metal piece. Then you just pin out. There are some pins. Pin it out nicely. You just pin out nicely. Pin out nicely. Pin out nicely. Then your top cover, your bottom cover will be out. Then you open up. Then there is your hard drive. Just a laptop size drive. It's not an SSD. So we'll be having these cushions, hard drive cushions. So for you to be gentle, just don't use a sharp object because it will damage your drive. You just have to pick it up like this. Then you take out your hard drive. Then your hard drive will be out. Then on the hard drive there are two components. These things, you just pull them out. The cushions. On the hard drive there are two components. There is this circuit board here. I'm going to take it out. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Make sure that you don't damage it. You just take it out nicely. Underneath here there's some cushion which is cushioning it towards the hard drive. Make sure that you don't pop out these holes because your drive will be done. I'm just going to drive it. Take out the screws. Make it steady. Use a very good screwdriver for those small screws so that you don't damage them. You drive out the screws. Drive out. As you can see, they can stick. Take it out nicely. Hard drive is a very sensitive thing. Take it out nicely. Put the screws where you can find them. Take it out nicely. Put the screws where you can find them. Take it out nicely. Put the screws where you can find them. Then you take it out nicely. Put the screws where you can find them. Then your board will be out. Underneath this board there is a very sensitive chip also. Make sure that you use a very good sharp object just to pull it like this. Then there is your circuit board. As you can see, you can just wipe it, clean it nicely. Then you just have to put it back. You just put it back the same way as I took it out, so that sensitive chip will communicate. You put in your USB here, then it will be sending data here, getting the data from the drive, as you can see here. So that is how you open up your Toshiba 2 terabyte hard drive external. So this is what I was talking about as a cushion. Make sure that this cushion is always there. Then you're having your drive. On the next video, I'll be showing you how to change this external to internal, an internal drive on the next part of the video. So basically that is how hard drive, an external hard drive is. So subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech Genius for more technical news and technical information. Anything that you want to learn, you will get to learn here. Thank you so much.